Hey everyone, Ebony Jackson here. Have you ever wanted to learn how to open an online store? I'm excited to announce my new ebook, How to Open an Online Store. This ebook is the ultimate guide to launching and running your own successful online store. It covers all the basics from setting up your website to developing your product or service to marketing and managing your store and more. It also contains helpful tips and tricks for making the most of your online store, as well as advice on what to do when things don't go as planned. You'll learn how to make sure your store is accessible and user-friendly, as well as how to optimize for SEO and create a great customer experience. So, if you're ready to take the plunge and start your own online store, then my ebook is the perfect resource for you. Head over to my website to purchase your copy today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll join me on this exciting journey.